Good afternoon, good morning again, and good evening. Kung ano oras mo man ito napanood, please comment down below para alam ko kung ano oras mo ito napanood. So, ito ay, ang topic natin ay statistic. Okay, statistic. Siyempre, part pa rin po ito ng ating psych assessment reviewer sa ating methods and statistics used in research studies and test construction. Okay? So guys, let's divide sige, next tayo. Let's define the scale of measurement. Please don't forget to subscribe para makakuha ko ng 1 million subscriber. And yun po. At makatulong sa inyo sana ito ang video ng aking reviewer. Okay? Yan. Measurement. Measurement, this is the act of assigning numbers or symbols to characteristic of things according to rules. Okay? These rules are guidelines for representing the magnitude of the variable being measured. Okay? Ano nga po ba yung tools na ginagamit natin sa measurement katulad nito? Itong tape measure, itong ruler, triangle, ano pa po ba? Yung L, yung L, ano pa ba? Yung 1 meter, ano pa ba? Meron din tayong mga unit, yung katulad ng 1 inch, ganyan, 1 foot, mga ganyan. Meron natin tayo sa katawan natin, like katulad ng isang dangkal, mga ganun. Pero let's proceed. So, yun guys. Descriptive statistic. This is a method used to provide concise description of a collection of quantitative information. Okay? And the inferential statistic naman po, this is a method used to make inference from observation of a small group of people known as sample to a large group of individuals known as population. So yun, base dun sa description na ibinigay ko kanina, ang magnitude this is a property of moreness. Okay? At yung ayun, then idadagdag ko na lang din dito yung equal interval. Ang equal interval ay the difference between 2 points at any place on the scale has the same meaning as the difference between 2 other points that differ by the same number of the scale units. Okay? Like for instance, siguro nito is yung sa timbangan halimbawa, mula 0 papunta sa 5 linya, 5 guhit, mga ganun. Okay? Na-imagine nyo ba guys? At eto, sige, proceed tayo sa absolute 0. Sige. Absolute 0 is halimbawa siguro nito, nakapark yung kotse. Like, when nothing is the property being measured exists, okay? 0 value siya, okay? So, ayan. Let's proceed to the scale. Ano nga po ba yung scale? Scale, this is a set of numbers, symbols, those properties model empirical properties to which numbers are assigned. It is depend on what the variable is being measured. Okay? Halimbawa, buhok. Mami-measure ba natin yung buhok? Or yung binili kong prutas kanina, katulad ng mga apples. Ganyan, apples, banana. Mahilig kasi ako sa banana at saka mango. Ayan, mabibilang ko siya, okay? Ito po yung halimbawa ng continuous scale. Like for instance, this one, powder or milk. Ano pa ba? Yan, kinagamitan natin siya ng measuring tools. Like 1 tablespoon o kaya 1 cup of cocoa powder, ganyan. Okay? So, yun, balik tayo dito sa continuous scale. This is continuous scale used to measure continuous variable. It is theoretically possible to divide any of the value of the scale. For instance, distance have an equal value between each measurement. Okay? Let's proceed to the discrete scale or discontinuous scale. Okay? Ito naman po is yung mga nabibilang natin. Nabibilang natin per piraso. Okay? Halimbawa, ilang water jug yung nasa loob ng ref, ganyan. Sa amin kasi 3. Sa inyo ba ilan? Please comment down below. Ayan. Ano po ba yung discontinuous scale? This is used in discrete variable. It would not be accurate or meaningful to divide the value in any other way. For instance, hospitalize and never hospitalize. Okay? Nagets nyo ba? Kunyari yung tao, di ba? Siguro inaano dito yung experience. For example, dito sa binigay ko, kung ano-ano yung nakita mo sa hospital. Tapos, maiba naman yung sasagot or maiba naman yung maisasagot nang hindi pa nakakapunta sa hospital. Like, halimbawa, siguro mga common lang maisasagot niya. Kung tinanong mo siguro yung parent na, tas tinanong mo yung child. Yung parent, sinagot niya, maraming doctors doon. Tapos may mga pasyente, may bagong panganak, may mga newborn, bagong panganak, yan, yung pasyente, yung mami. Tapos newborn baby. Tapos, maisasagot naman siguro ng child is, yun, dito yan sa sa may pagliko natin sa may daan, ganyan siguro, pag ganun yung example niya. Or masasabi niya maraming tao napupunta doon para sa mga may sakit, ganyan, para maggamot yung may sakit. Labo ba ng ko? Sige na, let's proceed na. Eto, error. Isa to sa mga scales of measurement natin kaysa error. Always involved in measurement. Especially in continuous scale kaysa alternation or influence on the test score or measurement caused by the factors beyond those specific measured. Okay? Ano po ba yung scale of measurements natin? Four levels of scale of measurement. Okay? So, first we have nominal. Hindi pa na Hindi na zoom in. Hindi na zoom in. So, yun. Simulan natin siguro sa dito po sa may nominal scale. Ano nga po ba yung nominal scale? This is classification or categories based on one or more quantitative characteristic. Okay? Ito po yun Ayan. Also called as categorical scale or variable. All things measured must be placed into manual, exclusive, or exhaustive categories. Okay? For example nito, DSM-5. Meron na tayong DSM-5 RT. Okay? Text review. Multiple choice questions. And ano ba? Yes or no response. Gender. Ano pa ba? True or false. Yan. Okay? Yung nominal natin, guys. This is label and characterize observation but do not make any quantitative distinctions between observations. Okay? Sa ordinal naman po tayo, guys, Okay, sa ordinal. Ordinal scale. This is categorized and classification of data, and these categories are ranked or ordered. Okay? By order siya o kaya by rank. Okay? For instance, first, second, third. Okay? Ano nga ba yung nararank natin or na-order natin? Katulad siguro ng level of anxiety and so on, guys. Okay? Although it shows rank and ordering, it does not show how much greater one rank is than another. Okay? No degree of difference. Okay? Yun nga, for example, sa first, second, third. Okay? May use numbers in qualitative ranking but does not imply any qualitative value of difference. Okay? Pwede rin dito yung SES or SES, okay? Low, middle, high, okay? Sa education naman natin, sa high school, college, master, doctoral, mga ganyan, and so on. Makikita po din natin itong ordinal scale sa may Likert scale. These show qualitative ranking but no qualitative difference between ranks. Okay? Let's proceed to our interval. Okay? Ang interval naman po natin ay This is a zero value does not mean it represent none. Okay? For instance, temperature, height, weight, no boyfriend since birth, no girlfriend since birth. This is a true 0 point. Okay? Itong interval. Ay, hindi. Tama. Pero mali yung example ko. Ang example natin dito, again, is temperature, no true 0 point. Okay? For instance, is aptitude score. Okay? In addition to the features of nominal and ordinal scales, this scale contains equal interval between numbers. Okay? Each unit of the scan is exactly equal to any other unit in the scale. Okay? Sa interval, this is the level where it is possible to average a set of measurement and obtain meaningful result. Okay? And also has no absolute zero value on the scale. Again, has no absolute zero value on the scale. Ano nga bang halimbawa nito? Psychological tests like intelligence. Okay? There is meaningful difference between units. Difference between 85 to 100 is the same as 100 to 115. Okay? Gets nyo guys? This is no absolute zero since no person has zero intelligence. Okay? Last but not the least, this is ratio. Okay? Ratio. In addition to the properties of nominal, ordinal, and interval, ratio scale have a true 0 points. Okay? Has true 0 points. Ano nga bang halimbawa nito? Yon, temperature. Height, weight. To, no boyfriend since birth, no girlfriend since birth. Again, this is true 0 point. Okay? Gets back, guys? Ratio scale is used to determine amount, activity, speed, and so on. For instance, kph means the object is not moving. Okay? 0 brain activity means no brain activity. Okay? Ito po guys, yung ating sum meetup. Okay? Sana makatulong. Ayan. Please subscribe naman guys. Okay? Ang ating discontinuous, we have nominal and ordinal. Guys ha, ang ating continuous naman ay interval at ratio. Okay? Sa categorize and labels variables, lahat po sila. Okay? Lahat sila ay present. Sa ranking naman po, sa ranking categories in order naman, ay syempre, unang-una dito ang ordinal. Like order, order, okay? Sa interval, ganun din, at saka sa ratio. Okay? Dito tayo sa has equal interval or differences. Okay? Meron dito yan sa may interval at saka sa ratio. Okay? Pero dito sa has true or meaningful zero isa lang po ang present natin dito sa ratio. Okay? Ayun. Let's describing data naman po tayo, guys. In describing data, we have a distribution and raw score, guys, ha? Okay? Punta muna tayo dito sa distribution, okay? Okay, distribution. This is a set of test score displays for recording or studying. Okay? Ano naman po yung raw score? Raw score is a straightforward, modified accounting of performance that usually numerical. Okay? At saka pwede rin natin ipasok dito sa describing data is yung standardized score. It is also transformation of the raw score based on a certain guidelines to make meaningful interpretation and comparisons. Okay? Ito naman po tayo sa frequency distribution. Ano nga po ba yung frequency distribution? All scores are listed alongside the numbers of each times each score occur, okay, may be tabular or graphic form. Okay, pwede itong simple or ungrouped frequency distribution or grouped frequency distribution. Okay, meron din dito yung guys, yung upper limits at saka lower limits. Okay? Tsaka sa frequency distribution natin, ginagawa to, guys, na graphic or diagram, mga ganyan. Ano nga po ba yun? Graphic, a diagram or a chart, like pie chart, ganyan. Graphic, this is that describe and illustrate data in visual way. Meron tayong present na histogram, bar graph, frequency polygon, parang line graph, ganyan. Ano pa ba? Bar graph, line graph, ano pa ba? Yun, pie chart, mga ganun, guys. Line graph yan. So, let's proceed to measure of central tendency. Ano nga po ba yung measures of central tendency? Okay? This is a statistic that indicates the average or midmost score between the extreme score in the distribution. Okay? Before that, guys, ipasok siguro natin yung frequency distribution dun sa may pwede rin to sa may independent variable. Ano nga ba yung independent variable? Being manipulated in the study. Ito po yung tinatawag nating IV. Okay? Ano naman yung partner nito? Yung kaano ng araw. This is a quasi-independent variable o QIV. Okay? This is non-manipulated variable to designate groups. Okay? Ang factors nito, guys, is for ANOVA. Okay? Additional ko na rin po siguro yung post hoc test. Para saan nga ba yun? This is used in ANOVA to determine which mean differences are significantly different. Okay? Meron ding latest, guys, na 2 case HSD test. This is allowed to compute a single value that determines the minimum difference between treatment means that is necessary for significance. Okay? Balik tayo dito sa measurement of tendency. Okay? This is a statistic that most indicate the average or mid-most. Okay? Ang goal natin dito is identify the most typical or representative of entire group. Okay? Simulan natin syempre sa mean, sa number 1. Member. So, yun guys I hope makatulong tong video na ginagawa ko. Please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Mean, okay? Mean is the average. It is equal to the sum of all the scores divided by the number of observations. The mean is the most useful and most stable measure of central tendency. Okay? Ang mean guys is equal to the sum of the observations and divided by the numbers of observation. Okay? Makikita natin to or pasok to sa ating interval and ratio data when normal distribution. Okay? At saka, ang mean is point of least squares. Okay? Sa mean din, guys, this is a balance point for the distribution. Okay? Let's go to the median. Median. Okay? Median. This is the middlemost score in the distribution. In determining the median, one must arrange the score in ascending or descending order. Okay? If odd is equal, the score is exactly in the middle. Okay? If even naman po, equal nito is the median of the two middlemost score. Okay? Median are ordinary in nature. Okay? Okay guys, so yun na. Makikita rin natin to again sa may ordinal, interval at saka ratio. Okay? Ang median is useful in cases where relatively few score fall at the high end of the distribution or relatively few score fall at the low end of the distribution. Okay? In other words, for extreme score, use median skewed. Okay? Skewed. Yan. Ang median is identical for sample and population, ha? Okay? Also used when there has an unknown or undetermined score. Okay? This is used in open-ended, okay? Open-ended categories. For instance, is 5 or more than 8 or at least 10. Ganyan na. Again, for ordinary data ang median, ha? Okay, makikita natin yan. Dito na tayo sa mode. Okay? Mode. Ano nga po ba yung mode? Mode. The frequent occurring score in a distribution. Score with the highest frequency. Okay? Can have many modes in one distribution. Okay? May tinatawag tayo for instance binomial, trinomial, multinomial, mga ganyan guys. Not calculate attained by simple counting the numbers of occurrences. Okay? Mode is nominal in nature. Okay? Okay? Again, the mode is frequently occurring score in the distribution. For halimbawa na hindi lang nag-iisa yung mode or na doble, na triple, or sobrang dami na ulit. Yan. For instance nito is, ito na lang muna, binomial. Ayan, binomial distribution. If there are two score that occur with highest frequency. Okay? Kapag dalawa yung highest. Okay? Na score. Okay? Parang nag-tie, ganyan. Okay? Not commonly used. Yan. Useful in analysis of qualitative or verbal nature. Okay? For nominal scale, discrete variables. Okay? Ang mode natin ay value of the mode give an indication of the shape of the distribution as well as measure of central tendency. Okay? So, yun guys, puputulin ko na muna dito dahil sobrang haba na. Kung nakaabot ka man dito sa part ng video kong ito, kung nasan ka man ngayon, please comment down below para alam ko kung saan nakaabot ang aking video. Yun lang po. Sana may natutunan kayo. Bye-bye!